bird's eye view, 2-point perspective, bird's eye view. Okay, so how is that? It works like this. So it's, if you imagine that you are a bird, so you are looking at the, so you are looking down. Okay, so you're flying down and you're looking down there, and you see this images. And what do we have here? We have a truck, we have a train, we have a box of, what's this, chocolate, and we have a pizza pie. Okay, there. So you want to learn how to do this? Of course you want to, because we have our worksheet with us, and it's number 17 worksheet. Okay, so now look here. You remember the post? The post and the first lesson is somewhere here. Then the next lesson was in the middle, somewhere here. And then now it's way down below. Okay, way down below. Okay, how is that? So let's study some more. Okay, so we have the post of the corner post, the corner, this one, the corner, the corner, the corner, the corner. Okay. The corner, this one, the corner is way down below the horizon. So way down below, here, anywhere here. And then put a vanishing point over there. Connect both of this. Connect like that. And also on the other side, connect like so. Okay, get it? Okay, connect like so. Now, what we will do after this is we will add this one here. We will add anywhere here. The more you put here, the narrower it would be. The more further you go, it will become wider. Okay, let's put down. Let's say here. And this one we will connect to that from left to right. We will connect that there. And just pull down there, another post on the corner. And on this side, we'll decide also you want it thin. Like if we put here, it will look like a fence. If we go like this, the box, then will be maybe a building or something, or what. Okay, and we put here, and we connect from right to left to the vanishing point. So we do like this, boom. Okay, and then put the post there. So we have this form. Okay, let's make that, so the post here, the post here, and the post here. And let's try again. So we have this, we have this, we have this. Connect the top and the bottom to that, like so, like so. And for the wall on this side, you decide where. Mark on the top line and connect from left to right. Go there. And then on the other side, so we get there. And then do cut, put the post there. So your building would look like this. Your building would look like this. Like that. Your building would look like that. Okay. So let's do the final. Okay. So here we put anywhere. So we put here. Dot, dot. Put a dot there. We'll use this dot. and connect all of this, that on that side, and connect that one. Then we have put here and put here. Here. Now, if we want to put this one here, so there's the dot in the middle, and we connect that. Any word, any line that we put must be connected, lined with there. And here we have a dot here. So we have additional dot here, and that should go there, so that it will be aligned. Okay. So the final line would look like this. Final line. Yeah. Mark and align it this way. And we have already like so. Okay. Then you can erase. Okay. So we have this and this, and you know what's next with this? It's the test. Okay, let's test ourselves. Okay, let's test if we learned something. So the first would be the, let's put it higher. Let's put the horizon higher. Okay, put the horizon higher. So we put the horizon higher, and we put the post. Put the post, and I'll put the dot. Okay, and we'll just see. I'm sliding my the whole arm is sliding. So I'm targeting. I hope my target hits there, and this one also. So I'm not really pushing hard the pencil, but I'm just aligning my hand. So when it's aligned already, I just press the pencil, and this one here is a little bit far. Then your hand will get used to, and then you push the pencil there. Then we can cut anywhere we like. So let's say from here, we'll connect that there. Okay, connect there. And on the other side of the building, this one will connect there. Yeah. So we'll get the angle down there. Okay, there you are. So our building looks like this from there, 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 the post on the corner. Okay. There. So this is our building. Okay. Or anything. It can be a box. It can be something. Okay. Now I will add one dot here for my sidewalk, because I want this to be a building. That's for my sidewalk. And I'll add one more line here. Yeah. So that would be my okay. So we'll have this. This is the pathway. And now you want to put a window or something, put a window. So let's put a dot there, the wall here. So this must go to that, and this one must go to that, and this. So we'll use this as the door of the shop. Door of the shop. Or we can do like that, and do like this. Okay, so this will be our 7-Eleven, and the door looks this way, and the window, and you can put signage there. Okay, it's like that. There. Okay, so shading. Okay, just a draft, so you can already. Okay, so that's our building. Then we can erase, clean. Okay, so this is the okay, so what do we have here? It's the bird's eye view 2-point perspective. Okay, so we see the building, and if you follow this, you will get into this. Okay, if you get confused, you just go back and view again this video until you get all this, so you can experiment on the width of your shape or form. See, this one is narrower. Okay, so we have this narrow edge. This one is more narrow, but then it's long. And this one here is from the corner to this, it's only until here. Okay, and this one here is from here to here, or from here to here, this. So there. Okay, get it? Okay, I hope you learned something on this lesson number 17, bird's eye view 2-point perspective. Okay, so again, remember, try and try until you succeed, and continue. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you, because I believe that everybody can draw.